there, fellow design enthusiasts. It's probably no surprise that we love Canva at AISB. So much so that today we are celebrating the 73 fantastic members already taking advantage of premium features available for free through our educational account. I'm going to use this design I created today to share my workflow and some of my go-to tips so you can learn how to make the most out of this amazing tool, especially with all you need to be consistent with our new brand. To start, go to Home. Click Create a Design and pick a size. Today, let's use a postcard-sized canvas. To change the background, click the color wheel. That's where you will see your brand kit colors, such as the main palette and the divisional ones as well. I'll change the background to dark blue for now. Then, let's explore the Frames option to find the number 73. Under Elements, scroll till you find Frames. Click See All for more options. For this example, I'm picking the number frames all the way at the end. But as you can see, there are lots of options. To align them, hold Shift, select both, and click Position. Opt for middle alignment. You can adjust the size or move them closer together. Then it's time to insert images or logos. Head to your Uploads folder for photos, or look for the Logos folder for brand symbols. If Logos isn't visible, click Apps, scroll, and select it. It'll then always appear in your frequent tools. Select a logo and adjust its size or position. For this tutorial, I've chosen a cropped one that is square-shaped. Then, we're going to add text. Click on Text. At the top, you will find the brand kit's recommended fonts. Type your headline, say Canva users, adjust its size and color, then add any subheadings, and remember to tweak the font size or the position. I'm adding Celebrating Our Love of Design at AISB for this example. Here, we focus on this essential element of design, the alignment. To do that, we use the Position option, where you have the Layers option as well. Hold Shift so you can select more than one element at once, and then select elements you want to adjust. Click Position and Arrange. You can place items left, center, or anywhere you like. Adjust the sizing and positioning for a clean look. Then, let's add the fluff. In my case, I chose some confetti. To find the confetti, go to Elements. Search for confetti and select a design. You can adjust the colors if the design permits. Sometimes they do. For a cohesive look, use our brand colors. Adjust size and place them where you prefer. Once you've made all the edits and are satisfied, go to Share, then Download at the top. Opt for Animated GIF to keep the animations. Click Download and enjoy. And for a bonus trick, I'm going to show you one that is a real time saver today. And this is how to create quick presentations in seconds with Magic Design. Click Create Design, Presentation. Then select Magic Design and type in your desired theme. For instance, Trust and Collaboration in International Schools. Once it loads, you can apply a color palette from the top menu for branded slides. Edit text or replace images as needed, and you can use our school's images or go with Canva's GDPR compliant ones here. For uniformity, you can adjust text colors or fonts across all slides. All you need to do is click a text box, select your preferred color or font, and then find the Change All option here at the bottom. Remember, design sometimes takes a bit of patience, but with these tips, you're on the fast track. Practice, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Cheers, and see you around.